Hello guys and welcome back. In this video we're going to see how to download and install the latest version of Node.js. So we'll go to Google and we'll search for Node.js. Click on the first link. Here you will get two options to download the Node.js, LTS version and the current version. We'll download LTS, long-term support. And at the time of recording this video, the version is 18.12.1. So I'll click on the first link. So it will download the MSI file in few seconds. So let us install the Node.js. So click on the next button. Make the checkbox on for license agreement. Click on next. So we'll go with the default destination folder. Click on next. Click on next. And here you will get a checkbox. If you make this checkbox on, it will download the necessary tools, and along with that it will also install a Chocolatey. So basically Chocolatey is a package manager for Windows. It will download the softwares from their official distribution point. It will install, upgrade or uninstall the softwares, also configure the software on your machine automatically, including the dependencies as per the instructions given the package. So I don't want to install the Chocolatey on my machine, so I'll keep this checkbox off. Click on next and click on install. Now here the Node.js is installed. So go to start. Here you will find Node.js command prompt. Click on this. Run this command to check the version. So I'll say node space -v. You can also check the location where node. So here we'll find this is the location where Node.js is installed. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to us and click on bell icon to get more videos like this, and I will see you in the next video.